Hello YouTube and welcome back to Every Tech Time. So today we are going to do a video tutorial on how to install Windows XP Home Edition in VirtualBox. So yes, this is one of my tutorials where I do tutorials on installing OSs in virtual machines. Now there is another YouTuber who does the similar things as this video, named Everything Epan, who also does VirtualBox tutorials. So I'm not trying to be his copycat. I'm just, using his method of installing OSs in VMs. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. So anyway, let's get started. So we're going to go up to New. We're going to click New and create a virtual machine. We're going to call it Windows XP Home Edition. And then we're going to select the version as Windows XP 32-bit. Click Next. 192 megabytes is fine. Next. Now we're going to create a virtual hard disk. So VDI VirtualBox disk image, click Next. Dynamically allocated, click Next. And then 10 gigabytes is fine, and then we're going to click Create. Okay, so now we're going to go to Settings, Storage, and for the optical drive, we're going to click Choose Virtual Optical Disk File. Windows XP Home Edition ISO, click Open, and this is the primary master, and then the Windows XP Home Edition ISO is the secondary master, IDE. Okay, so we're going to start our virtual machine, and then we'll install it from there. Okay, Windows is starting up. Press Enter. Then press Page Down, the Page Down key on your keyboard. Press F8 to agree with the licensing agreement. Yes, unpartitioned space. Press Enter. And then we're going to format the partition using the NTFS file system. And now it's going to format the hard disk. This may take a while, so just bear with me. Okay, so now it's just going to configure the size of the disk. Now the setup is copying all the files. Again, this may take a while, so just, bear with me. Well, sometimes it doesn't really take as long as it says, but still, you'll have to be patient. Okay, it's halfway done. It's getting there. Alright, so now it's just rebooting the computer, and then it will continue the setup from there. Okay, don't press anything. Just ignore it, because when I tried doing something, it just started the setup all over again, and it just messed everything up. So just leave it alone. Okay, so now it's in phase 2 of the setup, installing Windows and then finalizing installation. And the approximate setup time will be 39 minutes or less. Okay, it's almost done installing devices. And then there. The regional and language options, click next. Enter your name and organization. Well, the organization is optional. Click next. Okay, so here's the product key. So I will provide the product key in the description along with the ISO image for Windows XP Home Edition. Alright, so there's the product key. Click next. Next. This is my computer name. And then it will just, oh. So select your time zone. Click next. And then the setup will continue. It will install the network. Select typical settings, which is recommended for most computers. Click next. And now it's just copying the files and completing the installation. And now it's installing the start menu options. The items, actually. Installing them, the start menu items. And now it's registering components. And now it's saving settings, and the setup is almost complete. And then it will do phase 3. Now I don't know if phase 3 will come with audio or not, but I'm sure it will, because it's what happens during the Windows XP installation. Okay, it's removing temporary files and then there. Again, just ignore that and leave it alone. Just click OK on that and then click OK on that. It's waiting. There's the music I was talking about. Click next. And then select Help Protect My PC by turning on automatic updates now, which is recommended. Click next. And now it's just checking your internet connectivity. Yes, this computer will connect through a local area network or home network. Click next. Just click that. Click wherever you want, but I'm just going to click this. Next. Enter your name. Next. And then click Finish. And then there you go. There's Windows XP Home Edition in VirtualBox, fully installed. And to prove to you that this is Windows XP, there you go. Alright, so that's how you install Windows XP Home Edition in VirtualBox. So if you found this video helpful, then you can like, comment, and subscribe for more tech videos. That said, this is Every Tech Time, and I'll see you in the next one.